Let's understand what are the prerequisites that we require to manufacture a product, which is make to order process. Definition: a company produces the goods, products based on customer requirement or confirmed order, which is kind of a definition for a make to order process. What are the prerequisites? Prerequisites is nothing but we need a material master data with an item category group 0001, which is make to order. Okay. Well, I believe you guys are aware how to create material master in MM01, right? Last week we have seen this, how to create material master.
Yeah.
In that,
Yeah.
we'll be having general item category field as 0001. Okay, for make to order scenarios. Then in the availability check while creating this material master data, we need to activate this availability check. In the sales tab, general plan, checking group is 02, which is individual requirement. And in tab MRP3, we need to maintain the strategy group 20, strategy group 20 for order respectively as the required specifications. These are the two parameters that needs to be maintained in the material master data. Then we have item category determination. I believe you guys are remember this one. Check for item category determination. Whenever we create a normal standard sales order, we'll see item category TAN. But while executing mid to order scenarios, we'll see item category determination as TAN. This how it is been determined. Sales document type, item category group, which is 001, then usage plus higher level item will determine as TAK. Okay.
Okay.
In Vivo V7 pack, special stock, as this material is not the regular material, this is a special material. So this material will be special stock and billing relevance will be A. Pricing is marked, pricing is active. This is the third prerequisite. Fourth prerequisite, check for schedule and category, which is CP. In Vivo V6 for CP, the movement type will be 601. The schedule and category is item category plus MRP type. Okay. Now, let's consider customer, material. Then let's maintain the price, which is condition record. We'll be proceeding as usual with the standard order where transaction code VA01, create an order. There we'll see item category as stack and schedule and category as CP. Subsequently, we'll be proceeding for delivery. VL01 and probably we'll be getting an error. Why? Because no stock. So we need to maintain the stock against the sales order. Means we are manufacturing a product against a sales order. So we need to reserve that product against the sales order in MMB to check the stock if the stock has been created or not. Once we make the delivery, then we'll be going for the billing. Delivery related billing with reference to delivery document proceed billing. We'll try to execute this. Do you guys have any idea with regards to customers? Customer number?
900586.
900
586.
586. Okay. Any idea about material?
P150 Pulsar.
P150. Okay. Then condition record. Now here in the material master data, we need to check for item category and availability check. Let's get into the material disk ZX01 MM02. This is the material number. Enter. Enter.
EX01.
Okay. Let's consider material as P125.
Okay.
Basic data, sales data, MRP data. Continue. One, storage location, sales organization, distribution channel. Continue. Here, item category group is currently here. It's NO RM normal. Instead of this normal, this should be 0001, which is nothing but if I click onto this small box, here we can see 0001 is make to order reference. Okay, we are done with the first prerequisite, which is 0001. Next,
Okay.
into the sales tab, we need to check the group as 02, which is individual requirement, special customer. Go to the sales tab, sales in the tab here, availability check. Okay. Let's make this as 02, which is individual requirement. We are done with the second prerequisite. In make to order availability check in the sales general plan tab, checking group is 02. Okay, let's move on to the MRP 3 tab. Here we need to maintain the strategy group as 20, which is nothing but order requirement. MRP 3, enter. Here we can see strategy group as blank. So if I click onto this small box, we can see here strategy group. Click onto this box again. We can see here make to order production. Make to order production. Double click on this. Here strategy group 20. This is the in tab maintain strategy group 20 for make to order production. Continue. Enter and save it. So in the material master data, we have maintained the item category group plus availability check plus strategy group. These three parameters we have maintained. Now let's try creating a sales order. This is the customer and this is the material. I believe condition record already exists with the price 1000. Let's see. Slash n VA01. Order type OR. Here I'll make order type standard order OR. Then sales organization, distribution channel, division. Enter. Let's maintain the customer 900586. Here MTO make to order process. Material ZX01 P125. Quantity 1. As soon as I hit enter, we expect item category as tag TAK. Okay, continue. Here we can see item category as tag. For this, we can see here check for item category determination tag. This is because here sales document type we have considered OR and item category group in the material master data we have 0001. Usage and higher level item is blank. With these combinations, we are able to determine item category as tag. Okay. If you don't maintain 0001 here in the item category group, then we'll be expecting item category TAM. Okay, this is for normal standard order. In Vivo V4, TAK means nothing but special stock. Vivo V7. Let's see what is this TAK. Vivo V7. Item category, click on to position. Go for item category TAK. Item category TAK. Select it. Click on to details. Here we can see this item is relevant for billing, relevant for pricing as well. And here we need to maintain the special stock E. Orders on hand. Enter. And save it. If I double, now this is the sales order. If I double click on this, we can see here schedule lines as CP. Check for schedule line CP in Vivo V6 for CP. The moment type is 601, which is again a determination. Schedule and category determination. Item category we have a tag, and this MRP type. MRP type we have maintained strategy group in the material master. With these combinations, we are able to determine CP. Would you like to ask anything about these areas? Item category, schedule and category.
Mm,
No,
No, sir, no.
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 Okay. So let's try saving this sales order. Okay, edit. We can ignore this one and we'll save this. Here we can see standard order 20765 has been created. Two zero seven six 20765 has been created. Now what's the next process? An order has been created. Delivery. What's the transaction code?
VL01M.
VL01N. Okay. So basically, from the sales standpoint, we have created an order. Now for the processing like planning, production, quality testing and all everything will be taken care by the other departments. So let's proceed for delivery. Let's see. Enter. No schedule lines due for delivery up to selected date. Let's go back and change the delivery date to 30th of November. Enter. Okay. Go to the picking tab. Let's pick the quantity. Enter. And PGI. Now what is shows the message? Sales order stock.
Order stock is not.
Okay, means the car, the product which we need to manufacture was not manufactured yet. Now let's manufacture that and assign to this sales order 20765, right?
Okay.
Let's
Yeah.
maintain the stock. MIGO. Goods received. Others. Material. Purchase order R10. Others. Enter. Let's maintain the material ZX01 P125. This is the material quantity where we need to maintain 561 E. We need to maintain here next column E. Why? This is special stock. Okay. For which plant? ZX storage location. Plant storage location. And here we need to maintain the sales order number. This is the sales order 20765. Sales order number, line item 10. We have only one item. So 10. Enter. Click on to the account check. Document is okay. We can post this. Now let's check the stock. To check the stock, we have transaction code MMPC. Okay, VL01, probably an error with no stock. Then maintain the stock where transaction code will go. Special stock indicator E need to be maintained. Okay, let's check the stock MMPP. Slash and MMPP. Enter. This is the material. Execute. Here we can see sales order stock, one piece. If I double click on this, we'll be able to see the order number, sales document number. 20765 means we'll be only delivering to this sales order. Without, we can't deliver to any other customer except this. Now let's proceed for delivery. Slash and VL01M. Enter. Go to the picking tab. Pick the quantity one. Postcode section. So delivery has been successfully done. Next what? Next process?
Billing.
Billing. Okay. With this delivery reference, let's go for billing. Slash and BF01. Delivery number. Enter. This is the payer. Okay. 586. Item, description, quantity, value, tax. The customer needs to pay 125 rupees. Enter and save it. Billing has been done. Let's go to the change mode VF02 and release to accounting. Let's see the sales order once slash and VF02. Order number 20765. Enter. If I click onto the display document, we can see here an order has been created. Subsequent with delivery, picking a request, goods issue, and invoice. Is there any doubts in this process area?
No.
Order scenario.
No.
Okay. Let's. So this is make to order scenario. Let's move on to next scenario, which is called as make to stock. Sorry. Okay. Any idea what is make to stock scenarios?
No.
Hello.
Yeah.
Any idea about make to stock scenario? What exactly it is?
No. No.
Okay. I'll give you an example. You might have seen our nearby stores, right? Ratnadeep, Big Bazaar, and all everything. We'll see
Yeah.
huge plenty of stocks. Okay. On what basis these people are making stock? Based on forecast demand, and it will be stored into the warehouse. When it comes to definition, a company produces the goods, products based on forecast demand and stores them into warehouse, right? I believe this is clear.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here also, similarly, in the material master data, we need to maintain certain prerequisites. Okay. In mixed order scenarios, item category group will be 0001, but in make to stock scenario, this will be normal. Okay. Let me take another material. Do we have any other customer? Do you remember? No problem. We'll check here. Slash and BCUSD. Okay, let's take the customer 584. Customer 584. Material, let's take this CX01 P and MM60. Okay, let's take the material as P126. Okay, let's get into this material master data. We'll maintain the item category group as normal and availability check as 01, which is daily requirement. And in the MRP type, we'll maintain the strategy as 10. For make to order, this is 20, checking group 02, and item category group 000. For make to stock, we'll maintain these parameters. Let's get into this MM02 material master. Control B, this is the material. Enter. Select basic data, sales data, and MRP data. Plant, storage location, sales function, distribution channel. Here, item category group is normal. As per our requirement, we are good. Let's move on to the sales general plant tab. Checking group 01. Click on to this sales general plant. Here we can see availability check as 01, which is daily requirement. Let's jump it to MRP tab 3. Here we can see strategy group as, let's maintain make to stock, or we can click on here 10, which is make to stock production. 10, continue and save it. Now let's try creating sales order again. Here, check for item category 10, which is standard. Okay, relevant for billing and pricing. Schedule and category also Vivo V6, which is CP with movement type 601. Let's create a sales order. Mention VA01. Order type OR 584 customer. I'll make this as NPS process. Material. I'll make the quantity as 10 pieces. Continue. Here we can see for 10 pieces total net value is 1250. Each unit 125. Let's save this. An order has been created. What's the next process?
Delivery.
VL01N. Enter. Okay. Enter. Let's pick the quantity 10 pieces and click on to postcodes issue. Here again we see there is no stock, means we won't be able to deliver to the customer. The reason behind is deficit. There is zero stock. Let's maintain the stock here. Normal stock expansion MI0. Goods receipt R10 others. Here material 126. Quantity we need 10 pieces. Here 561 moment type, plant and storage location. Here we did not maintain the sales order reference. Why? Because this is make to stock production. If you are going for make to order scenario, then we will need sales order. As of now, we don't need any sales order. Okay, let's check it and post it. Let's check the stock for this material. /n MMPE material number, execute. Here we can see 10 pieces. Under storage location ZX01, plant ZX01. Let's proceed for delivery /n VL01N. Enter. Let's proceed for picking quantity 10 pieces. Enter. Postcode 62. Delivery has been done. Let's proceed for billing, which is /n VF01 with a delivery reference. This is the delivery number which you have done a while ago. Save it. Let's go to the change mode and release to accounting. Okay, in next session, we will see this account determination error, which is tomorrow. Let's get into the change mode, VA02, execute, enter, click on to display documents. Here you can see order, delivery, picking request, processor invoice. If you have any doubts with regards to this make to order and make to stock scenario, you are requested to please ask.
Nothing as of now. No.
Okay. Shall we continue or shall we stop it here for with these two scenarios?
Up to you. You
Continue.
can continue.